and here it is having option for bulk, customer import and export options, and supplier import and export options. Okay, and also you can have this bulk products, the item into the software. Suppose if you are using a particular software right now or any other company software and you wanted to migrate into this software, you can easily migrate, change your software by downloading the total product list from that your old software and directly exporting into the software. So that exporting format you can get it from here by clicking on the download format. Based on that format you have to arrange your previous item list and upload into the software, so you don't want to manually feed all the items. And here it is having the tax reports, sales register, and you will be getting this item base, the customer name and the total amount, bill amount, and the GST percentage. Everything you will be getting this sales by. This is a sales register, bill wise, and also you can export to the Excel sheet, and also you can make the printout with it. And this section, this one you can directly send it to your tax practitioner who is doing your sales, so tax returns. The same way for this purchase register and sales returns details, and purchase returns and output GST reports, and like here in between this date, what all the tax GST amounts you need to pay in total, and the bill numbers, invoice date number, everything will be getting this. And here it is having two options, records and reports. Here will be getting balance sheet, trial balance, cash book, bank book, general ledgers, alright, and also will be getting lost stock items, the item which is these all the items which is less in stocks, right? So this is actually generated based on this reorder point. I think you remember, you will be getting in product entry. In these sections you are making a reorder point. If that item is, if you're making it 10, if an item is sold and now the available stock is less than 10, so all you will be getting this list of lost stock items under these sections from that. Then and here it is customer ledger, supplier ledger, salesman ledgers, salesman commissions details, and total expenses, and stock movement, and stock in and out, what all the stock came and how went out, and best and low selling items, sales reports, purchase report, expired items. Yeah, this is very important in these pharmacy sections. What all the item is going to expire in next few days, or the specific date range you can select it, and in between this date what all the item is going to expire, you will be getting notifications under these sections. In between this 20, in between this duration what all the item is getting expired, you will be getting the reports. And you can have multiple backup system. You can save your backup into your local PC, and also you can save your pen drive, and also the backup you can store into your Google Drive accounts. For that you have to configure your Google Drive accounts. For these Get Games, this is all the Google Drive backup, and you can restore the previous backup data, and also you can download into your PC and you can take the backup. This is an automatic process, means this is manually you can set up, and also if you need to make the every time you need to do this automatic backup, you can configure it from here. Here you need to decide the backup file, the offline backups you wanted to do it by saving in automatics. Then you have to auto offline backups status is you need to make it enable, and online also auto backup, cloud backup into this. As of now I'm just No, I'm not doing anything. I don't want to take the backup, auto backup into the cloud always. So this is auto backup configuration systems, and here it is having under the settings. You can also have these auto round off settings. You can, whether if you wanted to round off, you can just click on yes button, or else you can disable this. Okay. And under settings, prefix and suffix window, this is something like if you wanted to have, like in the sales invoice window, you wanted to see by default the sales invoice number, it is SINV, and this is the number, and this is a year, financial year 2023-24. And suppose if you wanted to end with like you don't want any kind of, like you wanted to end with only 2024 now invoice number, then you can just date from here. Sales invoice suffix number is 2024, and SINV was the prefix they're actually having. So I wanted to have ABC. So if I'm just clicking on save, now you can see ABC and the number of bill, and to end with 2024. So that you can see ABC, and this is the bill number sequence, and this is the last. Alright. And here it is having SMS settings, email settings. SMS is like whenever you are making sales, the SMS will be automatically sent to your customers and supplier, everyone. And likewise email also you can configure with your Gmail account. And invoice header. Invoice header means, for example, I'll show you the sales window. I'm just taking the previous bill. I'm taking a printout of that. See, in this bill you can see bill of supply, right? Bill of supply. Okay. Over here, if you wanted to have like invoice or cash bill, or you want it like a receipt, whatever it is, what you want, you can just type it there only. For that you have to come to under settings and invoice header. In this invoice header, I'm just bill of supply was there by default. I wanted to make it something like bill. Okay, bill. So I'm just saving it. Now let me show you how the change is affected. Alright, taking a print. Now you can see it showing the bill. Bill header is bill. Okay. Some people they want it like invoice, some people they want it in receipt, which they are not paying GST and all. For those people, they can make it use of this section. All right. And the next one, it is under settings. You can see user permissions. See, user permissions, like if you have multiple users, like the salesman. User registration. From the user registration, as of now only one user is created, and I am just creating another user with the sales and the salesperson, and password is one. For example, I'm just making with sales. Username and password is sales, and the name is, let us make one little small, and the name is sale only, and sale at abc.com, and contact number is +91 999. Okay, just, and this account is active or not active, and if you have any specific signature, that also you can upload it, so that signature will be displayed in your invoice copy also. So I'm just saving it. Yeah, so we need to type at least so there is one account is created. So